YouTube channel. Today I come up with few worksheets and alphabets. First one, we have to write the missing upper and lower case letters. So here kid needs to write missing upper and lower case letters. Here one example I have given. So here uppercase and lower case. The same way here I have given lower case. Kid needs to write here uppercase capital B. C. Here lower case is missing. D. E. W. Here uppercase X, uppercase Y, uppercase Z. So like this kid needs to do this activity. So doing this activity will helps to identify the alphabets of uppercase and the lowercase letters. So second one, find the add one. So here kid needs to identify the add one and he need to circle it out. So I have given one example here. So capital letters A, but it is in the reverse manner. Kid needs to circle the odd one. The same way second one, capital B, here this is reverse. So this is add one. Here we have two add ones. So kid needs to circle two letters. Again here T and this T. So if kid has any of the confusions in writing the alphabet, suppose B, C or E, so at that time if we give these kind of activities in a daily practice way, that helps him to improve to avoid the confusion. So next we have kid needs to identify what comes after the alphabets and before the alphabet, and it is very important to learn them. Okay, so let's see. After B, C, after A, B, I, R. So next one, before the letter, what comes before the letter? You have given the example. Before K, J, before N, M, before R, Q, before E, D. So this is very difficulty to them initially. So by doing daily practice, they'll become good with that. Next worksheet is match the following. Here what kid needs to do? Kid needs to match uppercase to the lower case letters. D with the D, B, L, M, Q, R. So like this, kid needs to do this activity. Next worksheet, find the add one. Here kid needs to identify the add one. In this I have given upper and lower case pair, and one I have given both are in uppercase. So kid need to identify that uppercase and he need to circle it out. For example, A, B, C, T. Here I have given both are in uppercase. So kid need to identify this and he need to circle it out. So next E, here F, both are in uppercase. In this X, in this A. Since both are in uppercase, so kid need to circle it out. This activity will really helps to kid to identify upper and lower case of alphabets. So I would really suggest please give this kind of activities in a daily way so they'll become good with that. Next we have match the starting letter of the below given pictures. Needs to do, kid needs to identify the starting letter of the picture and you need to match it up. So one I have given here, A, apple, A, apple. Ball, B, ball, B, B. Cat, K, cat. Umbrella, A. Phonic sound of U is A, umbrella. The starting letter of feather is F, so F. Last we have mango. Starting letter of mango, M. Phonic sound of M is M, so M. So like this kid will be completing this activity. Next we have circle the correct letter as given. So here I have given letter A. Kid needs to identify letter A in this row and he need to circle it out. Second one, B, lowercase b and B. Instead of circling, we can also ask it to color it out or scratch it off, anything. So next we have lowercase t, 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 T. Next one, write the missing alphabets. Here what kid needs to do, he need to write the missing alphabets of lowercase. A, B, C, D, E, F, V, X, Y and Z. write the missing alphabets between. So this is between concept. A, C, between A and C, B will come. D, F, E, U, V, X, Y, Z, like this. Last we have connect the alphabets. Here kid needs to connect the alphabets in a sequence manner, so that helps him to identify the letter what comes next, and kid will become familiar with identifying this sequence of the alphabets. So let's start this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Y, Z, and again he'll come up back to the A. After the connecting the dots, he can do color for this picture, and again pictures also, that is up to the kid's choice. Hope you like this video, and please try these activities with your kid, and comment me output of your kid activities. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.